This is a visualization that I use every morning that has changed my life. If you stick through this video, I guarantee you that you will see massive change in your life. This video will adjust your mindset to the correct beliefs and you will attract massive abundance. In just 21 days, you will begin attracting wealth into your life. It will start to appear as if you are a magnet. Money will be so attracted to you, it will seem easy. So easy, in fact, that your reality will seem effortless. You'll notice that your manifestations are becoming exactly what you dreamed of. Your dreams will begin to manifest right before your eyes. Are you ready to change your life? Give this video a like so we can share our abundance with the rest of the world and reach more wealth magnets like us. Sit or lay down somewhere that is comfortable and slowly close your eyes. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, feel the feeling of all the worries of the day exhaling away with your breath. Take another deep breath, and as you exhale all the worries away. Now imagine your feet are planted on warm summer sand. Smell the crisp air. Feel the warm sun warming up your soul and simultaneously increasing your ability to manifest your dreams. The universe is giving you the power to achieve all of your desires. Feel your breath uniting with the universe. You are one with the universe. Listen to my words carefully and repeat to yourself. I am worthy. I am a magnet for money. Abundance is natural to me. I foster prosperity. Wealth is attracted to me from all directions. I attract abundance to me from all directions. I am abundance. I live and breathe abundance. In every way and every day, I am becoming wealthier and wealthier. Every day and in every way, I am becoming more and more abundant. I am becoming more and more richer. Abundance is everywhere I look. Wherever I look, I see wealth, abundance, and prosperity. I was born wealthy. Being wealthy is a part of who I am. Abundance is my birthright, and abundance resides within me. Abundance is a part of who I am. The more I give, the wealthier I become. The more I give, the more abundant I become. I'm so blessed and so grateful for all the wealth in my life right now. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so grateful for the wealth that is part of me. I believe money is a great tool and it can be used for good. I embrace all positive associations to wealth, money, abundance, and prosperity. I release all negative associations to money, abundance, wealth, and prosperity. I live and breathe in abundance. Every breath that I take increases my awareness of abundance. Abundance surrounds me. I allow infinite wealth to flow into my life. I allow abundance and prosperity to flow freely into my life. There's always more than enough for everyone. The abundance and prosperity is overflowing. I'm now living from this overflow of abundance. I realize that this universe has infinite abundance. I come from this abundance, and I will always have abundance in my life. I feel limitless, and this joy of being limitless flows through every cell in my body. I immensely enjoy this feeling of abundance on a regular basis. I feel free, joyous, and excited to meet the world. I'm attracting more and more money each day. My life is the embodiment of abundance and prosperity. I attract success and abundance in my life. I'm ready to receive all the wealth I desire. Wealth eagerly flows into my life. My inspired actions create more opportunities for ongoing prosperity. I'm aligned with the energy of abundance. The energy of abundance is all around me. Money-making opportunities are attracted to me. I am a master of my wealth, and my wealth serves me. The money and wealth I attract creates positive impact in the world. I see abundance surrounding me, and it is everywhere. I am a money magnet. Money comes to me in unexpected and expected ways. Wealth is drawn to me. New opportunities to create wealth keep coming my way. I welcome prosperity into my life. There are many ways money comes to me. I'm worthy of receiving large sums of money. I bring immense value to the world, and I am handsomely rewarded for it. I am financially rewarded for my efforts. Prosperity is my way of life. I am the embodiment of wealth. I know to my core that I'm worthy and wealth is drawn to me. I am abundance and prosperity. I am ready to receive great amounts of wealth. I receive and enjoy wealth in all of its many forms. I'm always ready to receive. Abundance is my birthright, and I attract wealth effortlessly into my life. Prosperity is my way of life. Money comes to me in unexpected and miraculous ways. I bring immense value to the world. I know to my core that I am worthy. I'm so blessed that I have so much wealth and abundance in my life. My life is the embodiment of abundance. Abundance flows through me and is a part of me. Every day and in every way, I'm becoming wealthier and wealthier. Money is my servant, and I am the master. I masterfully manage and grow my money. I am the embodiment of wealth. I'm worthy and money flows to me easily. Success is mine. Prosperity is mine. This infinite wealth and abundance is mine. I'm so blessed that money comes to me easily and effortlessly in miraculous ways. Money comes to me from multiple sources with ease and grace. More and more money is attracted to me. Earning money is easy for me. I'm truly blessed to have so much wealth in my life. I am a blessing to my community and I spread this abundance. I receive and enjoy wealth in all of its different forms. I'm in complete alignment with the energy of abundance and prosperity. I am a master of my wealth and it serves me faithfully. I am a magnet to opportunities that manifest money into my life. Every day and in every way, I am becoming richer and richer. If you wish to stay in this state, pause the video and stay in this state as long as you desire. Whenever you feel ready, you can slowly open your eyes and begin your amazing day. If you're doing it this morning, or go back to restful sleep if you're doing this at night. Remember that you can always come back to this video and reconnect to your true abundant self. The external 3D reality is a reflection of your inner reality. To get the maximum benefits, listen to this recording for 21 days in a row. For 21 days in a row. The ideal time to listen to this recording is when you wake up or just before you go to bed. If you like this content, please like and subscribe to this channel. The abundant universe is always supporting your dreams and manifestations.